Have you heard of the saying that Subang Jaya people never want to leave Subang Jaya? All of my Budak Subang Jaya friends will definitely attest to that. In fact, Subang Jaya has been on the radar for many people who are looking for a home or a property to invest in because it is such a self-contained township. Let me tell you more about Subang Jaya. The story of Subang Jaya started some 40 years ago. A former rubber estate in the 1970s, Subang Jaya has seen tremendous transformation and it is now home to 700,000 people and it's expected to double in the next 15 years. This township enjoys excellent connectivity as it is connected to Kuala Lumpur, Shah Alam and Petaling Jaya via a network of highways which include the Federal Highway, LDP, NPE, NKBE, Kesas as well as the Elite Highway. Public transportation network has expanded from the KTM to the newly completed LRT as well as BRT. And all of us know that Subang Jaya has a variety of amenities from schools to colleges to shopping malls as well as medical center. And of course, you will never go hungry in Subang Jaya. And it's official that Subang Jaya will be accredited as a city on the 20th of October 2020. This means it will go from MPSJ to MBSJ, meaning more business opportunities, improved quality of life for the residents, and of course, better prospects for property owners in Subang Jaya. My name is Nikki, and today I am going to introduce you to the largest freehold integrated master plan in Subang Jaya, and it is none other than Tropicana Metro Park. The land area of this development is 88 acres, and inspired by the concept of holistic living, Tropicana Metro Park offers you a unique combination of residential, commercial, education as well as recreation to bring you a fresh new lifestyle in Subang Jaya. And it is so easy to get here. There is a purpose-built direct link bridge that connects the Federal Highway all the way to Tropicana Metro Park. So you don't even have to wait for a single traffic light to get here. So cut the queue, skip the jam, easy breezy. At the heart of this development is the 9.2-acre iconic urban park, which is dedicated for leisure and recreation. There is something for everyone here. Break a sweat at a 2.8 kilometers long pathway, which is perfect for walking, jogging, and cycling. There is also the reflexology path as well as the parkours for outdoor exercises. Did you notice that the urban park is designed with barrier-free ramp access, which makes it very children and elderly friendly? You can spend some time bonding with your family outdoor at the open picnic lawn. There is also the children playground, which is equipped with Kompan brand equipment all the way from Denmark. This vehicle-free park provides a safe and secure environment for your children to play and grow. And if you are wondering how do we keep our lake healthy and clean, there is a biofiltration plant as well as 3-feature windmill for self-sustainable lake aeration. And if you are a resident here, there's a private access from your apartment, so no excuses for skipping your workouts. Tropicana Metro Park also houses the GEMS International School, which is brought to you by the largest private education in the world with over 250 schools worldwide. GEMS International School brings the best in British curriculum for children aged between 3 and 18 years old. And this 252,000 square feet campus offers state-of-the-art facilities and more importantly, a fun environment for your children to learn. Of course, no township living is complete without a commercial element. With the introduction of our first commercial hub in Tropicana Metro Park, which is known as the Shop South, everything you need, from dining to groceries and services, will be at your fingertips. And you will never want to leave home again because this will be the hottest spot in Subang Jaya with a unique parkfront retail experience. Let's take a look at our residential offerings. My fellow millennials, just because you are looking for your first property doesn't mean that you have to compromise on your wants. If you're like me, you want a stylish home, green living, great amenities, convenience, privacy, all at a great price, you can find this at Residences South Tropicana Metro Park. There are two choices of layout here. We have the 500 square feet studios as well as the 700 square feet 2-bedroom units. Residences South is perfect for singles, couples as well as empty nesters. Now, let me show you the 500 square feet show unit. Each unit is equipped with a digital door lock, and as you enter the unit, you will first come to the kitchen area. The kitchen cabinet, hood and hob will be provided in the unit, and we are using Teka from Germany for the kitchen appliances. Over here, we also have a corner in this particular Type B layout, which you can turn into your workstation since working from home is becoming such a norm these days. And over here will be our living area. Most studios in the market are designed to be narrow and long, but at Residences South, we have designed our studios to be square, and that will allow for 8 feet high window for both the living as well as the bedroom area, meaning lots of natural sunlight in your unit. We have put in this partition over here to separate the living from the bedroom. And take a look at this. This bedroom is so spacious, you can even fit a king-size bed in the master bedroom. And this side will be the master bathroom. We have separated the shower from the WC, full height tiles all the way to the ceiling, and we are providing American standard for our sanitary wares. While 500 square feet may sound small, this unit definitely feels cozy and homey. And one thing is for sure, you'll spend more time chilling than cleaning. At an affordable price tag from only $318,000, you will still get to indulge in over 28 lifestyle facilities here at Residences South, and it includes an Olympic-length swimming pool, jacuzzi, and cabanas. This building is also a certified green building under the Green RE rating. Now this is quality of life. If you are looking for a more spacious, let's take a look at Paisley Service Residences. We have 3 options of layout at Paisley: the 1+1, 2+1, as well as 3+1 bedroom from 601 to 1,491 square feet. We are now at the largest 3+1 bedroom with a built-up area of 1,491 square feet. As we enter the unit, you'll notice that this unit is being separated into 2 wings. Now I want you to imagine a horizontal layout where you enter from the middle of the house. On my left will be the living and on my right will be the bedroom. This is a very luxurious design as it provides a great sense of privacy. And this also allows for balcony as well as large window all around the house to make it very bright and warm. This is a very spacious open plan concept. As you can see, this is our living room area, dining, and this will be the kitchen. We also have a powder room, making this a perfect spot for you to host your friends and family. At the back, we have the yard, utilities, as well as another bathroom. Now let's take a look at the other wing of the house. As we pass through this spacious corridor, there are 2 bedrooms as well as the shared bathroom. And finally, we will arrive at the master bedroom. Look at this space. It is truly designed for the discerning few. And let me show you my final and favorite part of the house, and it is none other than the master bathroom. The long vanity counters with double sink is perfect, especially for the ladies. And the rain shower is designed to help you unwind after a long day. So, if you are looking for a larger unit with better privacy, Paisley will be the perfect choice for you. A unit here starts from $500,000 for a 1+1 fully furnished unit. Whether you are interested in Residences South or Paisley, don't miss out on our Tropicana 1010 extension campaign to enjoy great deals and savings for a limited time only.